comfortable living in a friendly community. View this 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, and unit villa home, conveniently located near the clubhouse amenities. Spacious with open vaulted ceilings, open floor plan, therapeutic jetted tub, and much more. Utilize the convenient, on-site community center featuring shuffleboard, tennis, and heated community pool. All this located close to eateries, shopping, hospital, Withlacoochee Bike Trail, Liberty Park, Cooter Pond. This is a gem of a find and ready for you to move in. View today and make your plans to stay.